say hi. Hi, I'm finally getting my bath because I can't seem to stay up in the daytime. Oh, sun. Wow, sun. That's good. Wow. Whoa, whoa. Let's see, we gotta get the metals now, okay? Ooh, got Smegma down here. Yeah. Hello. Say hi. My name is Peanut Boy. Peanut Boy. Little Peanut Boy. I know when you feel that warm water, you want to shoot, yeah? Yay, sweetheart. Yay.
What's Duke doing? Duke? What are you doing? Are you helping out? You're looking for food. Huh?
Yeah? Ooh, there it is. Wow, does that make your bung feel better too? Yeah, does that make your bung feel better? Oh, it's fun. Okay. Okay. Oh, my boy! Wow! Woo! Hey, you ready to go in the ocean? You ready to go in the swimming pool with Daddy? Yeah! You want to go swimming with Daddy? Wow, Peanut. You were just hot.
Pretty happy.
Yeah.
I'm surprised. I thought he was gonna. Maybe that's a good sign he likes the water.
Wow! Yay! Hey, where's that? Oh, bless you, bless you. Oh, look.
Is that Shishi? What is